a minute? Let's make this. Chocolate chip cookies with a secret ingredient. Hard-boiled eggs instead of fresh eggs. And these cookies are delicious and a great way to use up those cooked eggs. Here's what you'll need. Butter, chilled and cubed, or for over-the-top flavor, you can brown the butter. Melt the butter in a skillet and cook until it turns an amber color. Then put it in a bowl and freeze until hardened. These brown bits are packed with rich flavor. The cookie batter starts with flour, and then the butter I'm using cubed and browned, then mix to a crumb consistency. Add salt and baking soda, and then brown sugar, vanilla, and the 2 chopped up hard-boiled eggs. Once it all comes together, add in chocolate chips and walnuts, mixing with a spoon. Scoop out 1-inch balls, bake for about 12 minutes, and you have an egg-ceptional recipe for America's favorite cookie. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.